In the shadows of the internet lies a world of money making loops, a world where it's not about who you know, but what you know. Today, we're gonna pull back the curtain and reveal some secret methods that actually work. Are you ready? Let's dive in. All right, now before we dive deeper, I just wanna make one thing clear. This is mostly for entertainment purposes. And also, I'm not here to withhold information from you. I'm gonna show you every method step by step. But for the sake of my anonymity, I won't be showing personal details and things like that. All right, so this first method I found is actually getting a Belkin item of your choice. You're gonna use Amazon to scout this product and you're gonna get a replacement that you could possibly sell, of course, for profit, right? So the first thing I'm supposed to do is go to the Belkin support system site. So I'm gonna drag that in and here we are. Now I'm supposed to go down to the product replacement form, click here. My preferred language is English. And now we have our product type. So I'm gonna bind this right next to this because I need it here. And it says to do the model. So we're gonna go with mobile charging. So looking here, I'm gonna need the type of product, the product model number. This can be found on the product package or receipt, the date of purchase. If your product type is not listed, please contact support or hit this link. So you see here it's gonna want photos, customer info, and submission, right? We don't have this product. So what it tells us to do is actually go to eBay, right? And when I seen this, I tripped out because I'm like, bro, people are clever. So what I did was I went to eBay and I searched for this product, and you can see here that it's got that, but I don't know if we can see the model or at least a model number, right? So we're gonna probably look at another listing and then look through these, and voila, we've got something, right? So now we got the model. It's gonna be WIZ 017. And so you know what, I'm not even gonna be picky. I don't want to wait too long. I just want the product. So I'm gonna go to serial number and see if the serial number is here, and it is. So I'm actually gonna make me a notepad because I don't feel like switching over that many times. And I got it copied and I'm gonna paste it in. Description, put white. Purchase, remember this date of purchase. I'm gonna say I had it for maybe a month and some change now. Place of purchase, according to what I'm reading, it's gonna be Amazon, right? So reason for replacement, and it says you're pretty much gonna use an excuse along the lines of after weeks of happily using whatever, it has slowly become whatever. I'm gonna put it's starting to not charge. My devices worked first and I love device. And then I'm gonna go to the next page, and so now it's gonna want some pictures. But here's where I'm gonna get a little advanced with this method, because we'll use this method, that means they're gonna have this photo. So do some Photoshop. All right, so now that I have this photo in Photoshop, I'm gonna use some quick tools to quick select everything, invert that, and I'm gonna use generative fill to just do room ground. So now I might just put a scratch on here just to show some damage, and I might fade some of these words off just to make it look real and not like the one in that post, because once again, if people are using this, then they've seen that a couple times. And so that's good enough right there. So I'm gonna just save this image, hit save just on my desktop, and we'll go like we look at this natural iPhone and we'll go image, and now it's ready. So I'm gonna close out of Photoshop, get back to this form, and I'm gonna also need a receipt. Now they also guide us through how to do that, right? So we're gonna actually generate one, and we're gonna go to agree and continue. And once again, like even on this site, it tells you it's 100% for education purposes, for testing purposes. So it's US dollars. Order date, we said June 5th, 2023, and then we're gonna fill this out. And so to get some more of this information, I'm gonna go over here as if I was gonna buy it, because I need to know like the tax and everything like that. And so I see the tax is $12. So I'm asking ChatGPT if the price of an item is $147.51 and the tax is $12.13, what percent tax rate is that? So that's 8.23. So I'm gonna enter that in. I'm gonna do my address, I am not a robot, and then generate, and then boom, I'm gonna download this. So now I'm gonna come over here back to the guide, and I'm gonna upload my image and my receipt. Boom, so I got those both uploaded. Going to the next page, put my info in, boom. So now we're gonna submit your request, and we're gonna submit the form, and we're putting it in, and let's see what happens next, because now it's saying I gotta verify my email. Boom, so they sent the email. I'm gonna approve it. My submission has already been approved. So just to show you that you can use methods like this to make make money, you can come here on eBay, 3-in-1 Belkin, like we just searched, and let's see how often those sell. And we see here that like the one we're going for, the second gen is sold for 140, one sold for 180. And so you can see here, bro, if you these for maybe $100, bro, that's easy profit. And especially if you could do this a lot of times, that's easy profit as well. All right, so let's try another one. So this one's gonna be simple, pretty much. We're gonna try to get $25 off of Dell. And once you look at all the products they have, then you can get some items below retail and even on sale, and then turn around and sell them, and that's once again with no money. So first it wants us to come to this Alienware site, guess sign up. So we're gonna sign up. So then of course you do the verification. It wants you to come make a username. So I'm gonna go Rico 1990, and I'm gonna continue to go through this registration, and now I'm in your account and verify a phone number. Now I could use my actual number, but I want to show you how it's telling us to use another number just in case this is something we wanted to do multiple times. Come over here to SMS activate, and I'm gonna go to any other. Pretty much what SMS activate is it's literally what it sounds like. It lets you activate different services, verify them, gives us support for things like this. So you usually select from a list. However, Dell isn't on here, so you would do any other. I want United States, so I'm gonna pay for that. So I bought that number, so it sent us the code. I'm gonna go and submit it. So now I'm verified, right? And you can do that for as many times as you want. So next, it tells you to complete filling out the form, which we did, and then log into Dell.com using a one-time password to the email that we used to sign up. So that's in this case going to be Rico at Rico Copeland. So we're going to come here, we're going to sign in, and then do send one-time password to Rico.com. IEAUKN8, and then send one-time password, but that didn't match. Send one-time password, it's sending it. So you go to your email and copy that code in. Bro, they trying to cheat me out of being able to do this. You gotta be real careful because they will lock your account. It says up here. So RHT2P. All right, let's resend the passcode because that one's jank. We got a new password and it's 9976114. Y'all, it's not giving me that. We'll watch. So now I'm going to reset password, and this scares the crap out of me because we've been through this and the code y'all give me isn't correct. So I was able to come in here and sign in, but I'm wondering if it still works. I'm gonna sign in. Come on, bro. And I'm in. Now does it tell me to do anything next? It says credit will be applied at checkout. So let me see. So let's choose something like this, 27 bucks. Let's see if it takes it down to $3 for something like this. So it looks like that loop is either closed or does not work, or I did something wrong, but we're gonna move right along to another one, right? And just a brief overview of this one. This loop supposedly brings OuterBox cases down to free, right? So we're gonna follow it. We're gonna go to OuterBox.com. We're gonna accept the cookie settings. What this loop says is that they have to be under OuterBox warranty, and so you're gonna just select the cases. The ones that mostly have the most profit from what they're saying is gonna be the FRE series, and we want the one with the MagSafe for the iPhone 14. That will be the one. And then it wants us to come over here and copy this SKU number, right? So I'm gonna come over here, copy the SKU, and I'm just gonna copy it in my notepad off the screen here. And then it has a link. What you're gonna do, we're gonna copy that link, and then we're gonna come to this point of the link, and we're gonna swap out this SKU with the SKU that we copied. And then I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna take me to a screen like that. So now I'm gonna go back to OuterBox, and then you see, boom, there's 2 items in my cart. So we're gonna open my cart up, and then wow, crazy, you see it as a warranty replacement now for $0. So then boom, you would just select to pay for the shipping, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna search this SKU up on eBay just to show once again that you can for sure sell these things. And you see people like this are probably doing what we're doing and just jugging them, because what I would do, I would just sell it for under what market is and get them off and just rinse and repeat this method. So I honestly got a lot of other stuff coming in from other methods that I didn't show in this video, but if I get a response, I will show those.